Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you some caterpillar things that we're doing. So we ordered the Insect Lore cup of caterpillars off of Amazon.com, and it was about 19 bucks. And they shipped us 5 caterpillars, and it says to keep them in the cup, but we're not going to do that. We're going to put them in this little habitat here, and as you can see we have some leaves and we put some sticks up so they can live in here, and when it's time for them to cocoon they can hang right on the stick. And then we have different leaves from trees that we went on a nature walk and collected. So now we're going to take the caterpillars out of the cup and I will show you guys that.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
So here are the caterpillars, you guys.
Yeah, and he's not.
And we took 2 of them out and placed them on leaves.
And he's not
Be careful.
eating.
So here's this guy here. Careful, Shanna.
Don't go
He's moving around.
And
And there's this guy over here.
Hi, is it your boy Novian?
And what are we doing today, Novian?
Today we're gonna be doing.
Look at the camera.
Today we're gonna be doing caterpillars.
Caterpillars. This one's getting active over here.
He's running
Careful
away.
with that, Shanna. Look at Mama.
I'm
Don't let him fall off the leaf. He's running away.
Yeah.
Where is that?
It's on me.
Cool.
It's on me. It's on me. It's on me. It's on me. It's on me.
Yeah, he's crawling around now.
It's on me.
Look at this one. Oh, we got 2 over here. Gentle.
It's on me.
These 2 are scared that they're taking them out of the cup, it looks like. Gentle. No, don't shake him. And then this is their food that we're going to also put in there. And the other 2 are in there already. Alright, so we got them all in here, and we put their food from the cup in there too. You can see at the bottom there, right there at the bottom.
Yeah, I do.
And then we got, some of them are crawling up the walls here. So far, it seems like they like their new habitat. So this is how we are doing our cup of caterpillars. And it makes it a little more interactive for the kids. Alright, that's all for today. If you like this video, you can give me a thumbs up. And subscribe if you want to see all our upcoming videos and get notified. Thanks. Bye.